I'm like a child. I love doing that. What's up, OMG Nation? Man, I tell you what, it is crazy out here right now. So this is me getting out of the house. Oh, hello, police officer. And look at, I mean, this section that I drive through right here, if you guys look back through any of my videos, it's usually very busy. That's the gym that I go to up there, Lifetime Fitness Athletics. Those guys have been closed for a week. I mean, the parking lot's empty. I'm gonna meet a few of the guys. We're gonna stay away from each other. I've got my mask on, also known as a showy helmet. We're gonna do like a couple hour ride today. My man Ronnie, and I think my buddy Mike's coming up here too. I'm not positive on that, but we'll find out soon enough. Do I need gasoline? I don't. I'll be fine. But anyways, as soon as the guys get up here, I think I'm supposed to meet them in about, I think I'm early. Yeah, I am. In 30 minutes. So look, there's someone's glove. Hope it doesn't have any diseases on it or viruses. I mean, I've got a full tank. I don't think I should go get any gas. I don't know, what's it like in you guys' town? Hit me up in the comments below, and while I'm thinking about it, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. My name is Ryan. I put out videos. I put them out every Sunday, but I'm thinking about changing to putting them out on Saturday morning, because more folks are at home on Saturday morning, but not most guys that ride motorcycles are probably out on Saturday morning. That's kind of why I put them out on Sunday morning. But anyways, I'm going to experiment with Saturdays. I'm not sure when that's going to happen. You know, I just did that bike washing video because it had been raining for so long here in Franklin, Tennessee, that it was not only, I mean, right now, let's see what it is right now. It's 39 degrees outside right now. So if that doesn't come through, I'll put the screenshot up. I don't know, guys. It's a weird time right now. I really don't know what to think. Look, this person right here just pulled up at the gas pump, and she's got on her mask. That's not something that you normally see around here. Anyways, I'll pick back up with you when my guys show up. I said at one point, I think I'm getting a workout doing all this. I know Ronnie was. So I don't know if you guys were able to see that deer. We're in Bell Buckle, Tennessee now. This deer ran out in front of us. First the dog ran out in front of us, then, well, let me rephrase that. The dog didn't run out in front of us. The dog was running alongside of us in his front yard. And then a deer was running alongside of us. And he kept looking like he wanted to step out and jump out in front of us. So, yeah, we're in Bell Buckle. I don't know if I picked up any of that footage or not. But hopefully we don't have any more animals run out in front of us. That's not fun. Rowdy and I tried to pair my Cardo to his Senna, and for whatever reason, we couldn't get it to pair. There's the old boy with the guitar. But I'll be a little disappointed if I get home and none of that footage was there. I was trying to make sure that I got it, but such is the life of a moto vlogger. Sometimes you get that stuff and sometimes you don't. I'm really working on my cornering when I'm entering and how I'm pushing, where I'm putting my face, my chin and my head to try to be able to take corners at a higher rate of speed and swinging to the outside of them. And pushing with my left hand right now, and then I'm on the outside cutting in, pushing, but looking to where I want to go in the distance and pushing with the opposite hand going towards the corner. So like right now this corner is going left, I'm stepping to the outside. I'll take my eyes and my chin, I'll stay on the outside right here, take my eyes and my chin and see where I want to go, and I'll just push this left hand right here, it leans the bike. I probably could have gotten to that one a little bit better. I need to speed up. I'm going to grab it here. I'm going to downshift just a little. So kind of let off the throttle just a little bit, let the engine brake, push that left hand, give it some speed. That was a bad one. Some of this is going to be some montage stuff. I don't know if, like I said, I'm going to have to repeat some of this stuff because I don't know what made it on and what didn't. So now we're in Tullahoma, Tennessee. There's a lot of folks out riding around. I guess people feel like that at least they can get out of the house and just get in their car. Car wash is open. Alright guys, we're going to call this one part 1. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.